All right, let's look at the homework 6, problem number 5. So we want to write a program that takes in an integer and determines if it is even or odd. All right, so let's do that. All right, bring out a calculator. So we're going to hit program. All right, go into program. And we're going to do a new one. So I'm going to say create a new one. And a name, I'm going to call it so number 5. Probably I'll call 5. Let's see. Oh, that's. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. All right. I want to say. Can I just call it 5? Yeah, I can call it 5, right? Hit enter. Oh, maybe it cannot be a number. All right. So I'm gonna go back. Sorry about that. All right. So I'm gonna go to program. All right. So I'm going to do a new, create new again. Right. So it's going to be homework 6, problem 9. So I'm going to just say homework 6. So alphabet. Right. And where's H? There's H. Oop, did it go in? H. Right. Homework 6. Problem number. Where's P? P. Number 5. Right. Hopefully this would work. Enter. All right. All right, so first thing we do is we have to ask the user to enter a number. So I'm going to just say, so I'm going to go to program. All right, so go to input output. So you can say, prompt, so number 2. And then we have to store the number somewhere. So I'm going to just call it X, right? So we do that. So you ask for a number, right? Then in order to determine if x is even or odd, we're going to divide by 2. Right? So if you take the fractional part of x over 2, if it's 0, it's divides evenly, so it's going to be an even number. And if it's not equal to 0, then it's going to be an odd number. Then so I'm going to do a if statement. So I'm going to go to program again. All right. So if number 1. All right. Then we're going to do again go to program. All right. Then let's see. We're going to have to do if well actually I have to probably go to math. So you have to go to math. Right, so no, I'm going to go to math, not a test. Oh, actually, I did that again. I'm going to go to math, all right, and go to number, all right. So number 4 is a fractional part of whatever the number. So I'm going to use 4, all right. Then we're going to do x divide by 2, all right. So you take an integer and divide by 2. If the fraction number is equal to, so I'm going to have to go to, go to test to get the equality. So you get 1. If equal to 0, so I'm going to put 0. All right. Then, so I'm going to put the then. So I'm going to go to program again. All right. The then is number 2. So number 2, then. And what you want to do is you want to display something. So we're going to go to program again. All right, input output. So move on to the second one. And then display is the third one. So you have 3. All right, display even. So we're going to have to put in quotation mark if I can find it. All right, let's see. Where's the quotation mark? I'm having a hard time finding the quotation mark here. Is this the quotation mark? All right, so alpha. All right, so we have that. Then we just have to spell even, so that's going to take a while. So we're going to say even. Can I just be lazy? And I'm going to just say, I would just say E. How about that? So for even, right? So here's the quotation mark there, all right? Then you're gonna do else. So you hit program again. All right, else is number 3. And then we're gonna display. we're going to display something. So again, go to output, and I'm going to display 3. And then else, we're going to put odd. So I'm going to do a quotation mark and odd. So I'm just going to put O for that. So it's going to be just O. And then hit quotation mark. And then you're going to have to end this if-then statement. So I'm going to go to program again. And end somewhere at number 7. All right. So let's review here. So prompt X, so it asks for X value. So user enter the X value. And what the program does is, if the fractional part of X divided by 2 is 0, which means that X is an even number, so then display even. Otherwise, it's going to display odd, so it's odd. All right, so let's check this. All right, I'm going to go out by quitting it. All right, so again, we're going to go back into program. All right, this time, instead of editing or creating a new one, we're going to actually try to execute it. So we did, let's see, which one was it? We call it H6 P5, right? So right here. Oh, sorry. All right, so H6 P5. So we're going to do 6. All right, then, oh, that's not it. Sorry. All right, I'm going to go back again. All right. All right, so H6 P5, I'm going to execute it. All right, so hit enter. All right, hit enter again. All right, so you can see that the program asks you to put an X value. All right, let's try a even number. So let's say 6, and enter. Then it returns E. Right? I could have spelled that even, but I was too lazy to do that. So we have that. And let's run it again, and make sure that it works with the odd number too. So here's 5. All right, so hit enter. All right, so I'm going to try odd number 5, and hit enter, and returns O for even. All right, so it looks like the program is working. So the program looks like this. All right, if you go back, all right, I'm going to edit H6P5. So this is the code we have. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.